This has to be one of, if not the most useless keyboard Razer has ever made. Today we'll be taking a look at the Razer Ornata Chroma. Well, not so much taking a look, just shitting on it pretty much, yeah. So if you do go on to enjoy me shitting on this keyboard, please be sure to drop us a like and subscribe if you're new. We are trying to hit 10,000 subs before the end of the year. Thank you. But without further ado, let's get right into the shitting. Oh yeah, I do have some things to say about the cussing and actually other things at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So the Razer Ornata Chroma, what makes this such a shitty keyboard? Well, for $100, you basically get nothing. You get Razer's mecha mechanical keys, which they're okay. God damn it. This fucking monitor, can you not? By the way, this is not the 144 Hz monitor. This is just something I have up until I get my 144 Hz monitor, which should be here, according to FedEx, the 8th. So there should be an unboxing video the 9th, just saying. But Razer's mecha mechanical keys aren't all that good. Now, I say that because they do wear down over time. In my Razer Tartarus V2 review, which, by the way, that video did fucking amazing, thank you guys for that, I stated that the keys will wear down in terms of sound. They will start to sound less and less clicky. Now, at first, that's all I thought it was, because the keys felt fine to me. But in reality, no, these keys do wear down. Keys like RDFG and WASD on this keyboard feel and sound a lot less tactile than keys like pretty much all the F keys, because they're never used. These keys are also extremely vulnerable to spills, but I'll talk more about that later in the video. I can't really complain too much about these things though, because for mecha mechanical keys, or mecha membrane keys, my mistake, they're pretty good, but I wouldn't really suggest paying $100 for a keyboard that has these keys. They're not that good. For $100, which is $10 less than this keyboard here, you can get the HyperX Alloy Origins Core, which is a full RGB actual mechanical keyboard that has a TKL fully aluminum design. I'm dead ass serious when I say this is not a fucking sponsor. I just want to warn people against buying something this bad. So if you're looking for a keyboard that's under $100 and has RGB, go for that one, not this one. In fact, this is one of the only tech reviews where I'm going to do this. I've done this like once in the past, and I very rarely do it. But I hate this piece of tech so much, I'm going to link that in the description and not this. I will not put a link in the description for this because I do not want anyone fucking buying these things. Not only that, but it is a full fucking keyboard, so it's ginormous. It does come with a wrist rest, and I suppose the full keyboard, like I kind of asked for it when I got it, which this wasn't something I bought. This was something that was given to me by a friend, which again, thank you, Freddie. This thing was really, really nice until I got a real keyboard. Freddie got a real keyboard too. His is really fucking awesome. For $100, you'd expect it to make up for its lack of mechanical keys with some type of cool feature. No, it has all the baseline features. Fucking gaming mode that disables the Windows key, 10 key rollover, a wrist rest, little fucking lights right here for all your whatever the fuck, who cares? Do you care? I don't. The only cool thing I can really say about this thing is that it has this little like cable managing like canal almost, so you can slip your cord like into the side, so that way when you set it down, the cord's going out of the side. There's a place for it in the front, there's a place for it on the other side. That's pretty cool. But like I said, there isn't a single thing on this keyboard that warrants it being $100. I really do wish this thing could have been better. It is, don't get me wrong, it is pretty cool. It does have full RGB, it's compatible with Synapse 3, it's a decent keyboard if you get it for a good price. But for the price that Razer's selling it at, when they're back in stock, never buy them. In fact, go to great lengths to avoid these things, because not only is it so not worth the price, it's very vulnerable to spills. This is something that is obviously a personal issue, but I did spill some pop on this a while ago. Now, even after cleaning this thing as thoroughly as possible, the mecha membraniness of some of the keys has not returned. I've done my absolute best to fix some of these keys, and you'll notice that I'm missing an enter key because I had to take it out. My enter key was one of the ones affected by the spill. Now, even though I took everything out and I cleaned these keys as much as I could, it still didn't work. So if you have one of these, or any keyboard or keypad or any device with mecha mechanical keys, mecha membrane, I'm fucking retarded. I would suggest not spilling anything on them, because it will literally turn them into membrane keys. My arrow keys were affected by it too. Listen to this. So this is like RDFG, which is, again, some of the weakest keys on the keyboard. Here's my arrow keys. Yeah, they sound membrane-y, huh? They feel like membrane keys too. I think what happened is some of the fucking pop must have dried, but I feel like I was quicker than that. I feel like these keys, even after a thorough fucking clean, won't be 100% again. But I have been using some of these keys a lot more often, and the more you do use them, the more that stickiness goes away. Like I've said, I've done everything I could. They're just fucked. They still work and everything. Nothing around the keyboard's like inherently broken, but the keys have some of the keys have completely lost their fucking mechanical feel. So the page up, page down shit. Wow, I've been doing shit on the fucking monitor back there, didn't even know it. So the page up, page down shit, like all these keys right here. Long story short, don't buy this shit, okay? Okay, there's a reason I call this video garbage reviews. This isn't a good review. It's not even really a review, it's just me shitting on a keyboard. Now, before I go, I would like to say some things for those who are still here and interested in hearing about it, which I assume is a very, very, very small amount of people. But either way, I just want it to be out there in the open. I've been getting a lot of comments lately, and it's been very overwhelming. I do my best to reply to every comment. You go on my videos and scroll down through my comments, and you'll see I try to at least interact with every single comment I get. Sometimes I miss them because YouTube will literally not send me them, but I do my very, very best. Now, people have also been suggesting and criticizing a lot, and it's very, very, very fun to get the same exact comment 18 times in one day about me cussing. Listen, most tech channels don't cuss. Most tech channels don't even have personality to them, I'd say. Most tech channels are very, very straightforward, to the point, and a lot of them are just the same copy-paste thing. I am not trying to do that. I am trying to both be different in terms of personality, the way I edit my videos. I edit and portray my videos as if they are very high-energy gaming montages. Remember when people were making, like, meme videos like Noah's Noah back with, like, fucking Fortnite? Do you guys remember that shit? Like, C-Day toward the end of his Fortnite lifetime. You know how those videos are, like, high-energy, quick flow, quick pace, lots and lots of editing, lots and lots of, it's poppy, it's spunky, it's fun. I am doing what I can to preserve my personality on YouTube, and I would appreciate it if people stop trying to make me become a family-friendly channel, because it's never going to happen. People also like to get offended by the words I say, and to them I have to say this. I am sorry that you are offended. Just like every other YouTuber, I'm not going to genuinely apologize, because you are offended by the way I talk on my channel and the way that I conduct myself. If people are offended and you don't like the way I talk, leave. Very, very simple. I'm not going to change because people get offended by me saying the word faggot or retard or whatever the fuck. Because there's people with millions and millions and millions of subscribers who say the same words I do, and while they have been ridiculed about it in the past, it doesn't fucking matter to anybody anymore. I'm not meaning to go on like a rant or anything here. With that being said, I'm not going to be able to reply to all the comments now. I'm going to just try to get through as many as I can before my brain hurts. And actually, no, I've been doing that lately. I'm probably just going to reply to a few at a time here and there, because I had a complete fucking breakdown yesterday, and I don't want to do that again. I love you guys. I love you guys so fucking much, seriously. If you guys did go on to enjoy this video, please be sure to leave it a like, subscribe if you're new, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Fuck off. I'm just kidding. Peace.